How do you connect the restoration of one of America's iconic hotels, the peace movement of the 1980s, and the controversial paintings of acclaimed artist Tina Mion? Award-winning playwright Micki Shelton has done just that in her newest play, La Posada. La Posada is slated for its premiere in October at Prescott, Arizona's Elks Theater, just months away. And for that production, Micki and director Kate Hawkes need money. I had the pleasure to work with them on their production of Fred and Mary, the story of towering historical figures, architect Mary Jane Colter and hospitality entrepreneur Fred Harvey. And I gotta tell you, these two make a dynamic team. In her new play, Micki expands her fascination with the people and culture of the Southwest. Exquisitely weaving together fictionalized situations, Micki reveals what drew peace activist Allan Affeldt and his wife, artist Tina Mion, to restore Mary Colter's long-neglected hotel to its former glory. On the surface, La Posada is about the remarkable restoration of Colter's favorite building. Beneath that, it's about changing the world. History can and will repeat itself. One scene in La Posada takes place while the original Lost in Space is on TV, and Russia and the US are signing the Limited Test Ban Treaty. And here we are now. Russia again threatens the world with nuclear weapons, and there is a new version of Lost in Space on TV. Your support of this project now guarantees essential technical components, including sets, props, costumes, lighting, and sound. Join Micki, Kate, and me to support this campaign so we can get this very timely play on stage. Thank you.